Back here inside the arena in San Juan, live on Studio 23, courtesy of ABS-CBN Sports. Ang ating first game in this Saturday doubleheader. Coach Jarrod Hubalde and the rest of the UP Lady Maroons taking on Oji Mamon and the UST Tigresses. Enjoying a 3-point lead currently.
Back to the ball game, the third, Jesse De Leon.
Love the new design of the UST jersey, you know.
It has some details.
Ruffle
details.
I like the way you put it. Detail.
That's how you call it, right? The details in the jersey.
Very active is UP on the floor.
Oh.
Pero sa net, medyo may hirapan ka talaga ilusot yun with a girl like Ortiz in front of you.
Very experienced middle blocker.
For Jesse De Leon. And Ingrid Reyes will be serving.
Ingrid Reyes checking in para sa UST. And she will serve in De Leon's stead. Now, UST trying to pull away and maybe close this first set out. Jump serve para sa UST kay Reyes. Oh, Princess put in a lot of power there. Free ball UP. Chu. So the trip on the way. What a solid block. Chu and Se. Great defense. Se again. They go to Chu. Oh, that was too low.
Straight into the net. May konting gigil. That attempt by Chu.
But you can see, Anna, no, in every exchange, more often than not, they have UP on the ropes, ano? Na medyo nakikita mo nagkakagulo ang UST every now and then.
See Chu to try again, but still not enough power.
She wanted that same angle na nakuha niya kanina, no? Pero it was too low again.
She was a bit far from the net. As well, her hands, rather.
6 na, kalamangan ng Uste. Great serving from Ingrid Reyes. Se.
That play actually coming from a very good service reception. And that's something that they need to maximize, you know, while Se is still in the front line.
Captain Ana Del Mundo.
Great improvement by leaps and bounds sa service reception para sa UP, because that was not the case against Adamson, as si Banaticla falls down and overhits the mark as well. So 2 straight points para sa UP.
Here you see, UST obviously is a much stronger team, much more experienced team, but they are just, you know, giving away a lot of these free points for UP.
There have been a bunch of errors para dito sa UST talaga, especially in the first part of the first set, nung nakahabol ng mga 6 yata ang hinabol ng UP that time. Here's the last play. Just all over that ball was Ortiz. So, athleticism for this gifted young player ng UST na si Micah Ortiz, number 7. Poor reception there by Del Rosario. Free ball para sa Uste. Again, great coverage on the floor by UP. Cabanos is playing setter para sa UST.
Ball is saved.
Great save by UP. Ortiz blocked by Se. Amazing play defensively by UP again. Chu.
Oh, but these are the things na minsan nasasayang, ano. You see that you get a good rally and ends with an error.
I know if Chu is tired or she is suffering from that kaninang natapilok yata, or parang nadapa ng konti. So she's replaced. Smart
call
move by Del Rosario. She was almost on her way to pick it up.
But she knew it actually. Dahil medyo napatalon siya ng konti, she raised her hand and she knew if it went over her head, the ball was not gonna go anywhere but out.
So UP still in this. Lady Maroons are just down by 5. Cabanos sets it up again. Ooh, right smack on the kisser of Del Rosario.
Here's the captain, Judy Caballero.
22-16. 6-point lead. UST. Steep serve from Caballejo. Chamzon.
She was already facing that side of the court and still, took that angle.
Tawag ng timeout si Coach Ubalde. After that error by Chamzon, we will listen to UP.
Nakontrol natin sila lahat. Walang straight na spike. Bihirang-bihira yan. Okay, ano nangyayari? Nakontrol natin sila sa blocking. Nakontrol natin sa floor defense. Kita mo, convert na naman ang point. Okay? So mag-aim tayo ngayon. Hindi pwedeng basta papalo lang tayo. Okay? Kailangan natin mag-aim ngayon. So nangyayari, lahat, binabantayan na lahat from outside na yung mga attack natin. So binabantayan na yun. So ano yung pinaractice natin? Kailangan nyo lang i-apply kung ano yung pinaractice. Ha? Outside hitters, let's go!
UP!
Coach Ubalde very much aware na binabantayan na nga sila as you look at former UP Lady Maroon.
Southlyn Ramos, of course, supporting her former team. Very calm pa rin si Coach Jaro doon. I mean, they're down by 7 points, but what he's just really looking for is, for his players to execute what they've practiced.
And there it is. Great play. Coming off a timeout. Point for Mangulapnan as Bersola is back in for Del Rosario. Pwede pa to. If you're UP, still enough leeway for them to be offensive, be aggressive here in set number 1. Chamzon over the block. One-handed pickup by Ingrid Reyes. Banatikla, smart move.
Banatikla putting USC at set point. And serving for the set.
At this again, Banatikla, just an off-speed shot.
And that was sort of a broken play already for them kasi hindi maganda yung reception and it was an underhand set from the other side of the court. So set point on the serve by Ortiz. Chamzon. Down the line, yes.
UP still hanging on to the first set.
And this is what you like about UP. Despite the odds, lumalaban pa rin, ano? This wasn't the case against Adamson. They were playing with very low energy in that game. Cabanos with an underhand set. Tipped there by Banatikla. Here comes Chamzon.
Oh, that one.
Off the tape of the net. Good fight for UP. They really were a lot more aggressive in this set as compared to their last game. They, of course, will lose 25-18 set number 1, but you like what you see, and we'll just have to wait and see what they can give up come set number 2.